Once again, we're back here in beautiful Foothill Ranch. You know how much I love this community because we're at a hot property that we just listed. It's gorgeous inside. You're gonna love the inside. It features 4 bedrooms, a loft, 3 bathrooms on a prime cul-de-sac street. It's quiet. It's highly upgraded. This house has been remodeled from top to bottom. New kitchen, new bathrooms, new carpet, new flooring. Everything's been done. It's got a 3-car garage, a downstairs bedroom and bath, and an incredible kitchen. You can't touch this house at this price in Irvine. That's why we get so many Irvine buyers here. So you saw the inside of the house. Come by this Saturday for a grand opening. We're having lunch. I am Tim Morissette with the Tim Morissette Real Estate Group, the #1 real estate agent in Foothill Ranch. If you want to see this house before the grand opening, give me a call. Take care. Be safe.